Jersey number 3, jersey number 31, and number 32. Ball possession is right. And start for 3. Team 0. Santos, lock 2. Is Tua. Steve, number 8, number 9. What a nice pass from Jersey. They'll move go for 3. Yes. Second rebound. Number 14. Rebound by number 3. Number 16. Please take a look at the steal. Casas long 2. He missed. Rebound by number 9. Four against 2 in favor of Team 1. Basket count. Foul number 3. You missed. We have a tie ball game. 4 against 4 in favor. Number 31, we got Zerkis. 10 to shoot. Nice rebound. Number 26, here comes Iliana. Iliana drives, 10 to shoot. Foul, jersey number 9, 50 foul. 2 free throws will be awarded to Iliana. Dilmund Brother. He makes the first. Split charity for the Bulldogs. Here comes Tim Moen. Number 9 to Ignacio. Ignacio is leading. That's number 9. Tries a 3. Yes. Here comes Steve Cisse. Casas all the way. Here's the layup. Ignacio. To number 4. Tries a 3. He missed. Rebound. Number 3. Here comes Steve Iliana to number 26. What a nice move by number 14. He got the Gomez. But he loses the ball. Here comes Steve Moller. Number 34. 10-2. Number 4, Crash and 3, he wins. DC got the ball. Del Mundo, almost a steal. Number 9, grabs. Paulo Miguel. Team Moen, our score 7 against 6. He missed the ball. We have a foul. Foul number 4. Issue foul. 14 shot clock. What a nice pass, but he missed the layup. We have a ball. Another foul. Jersey number 32, holding foul. Moen, 14 fouls. Steal by Team Moen. Here comes number 32, number 3. Tony, steal by 49. Fake to better, the Mundo 1. Same ball. 12 to shoot. 7. With a ball. Foul number 16. 26 letter. O'Neal. 10 to shoot. O'Neal drives. Steal by TBC. Here comes TBC Santos. Number 34. Del Mundo tries along to the miss. 10 to shoot. Santos. Casas. 5 to shoot. Out of bounds. Foul, jersey number 14. O'Neal. 9 against 8 in the team. Steal by number 9. Here comes number 3. Tony. Number 3. Number 9. Justin McCall. Sa mga gustong kumain dyan, meron tayo or a score 15 against 10 in favor of Team Bowen. Number 8 is your first person at first of the league. Here is the first. Basket. Split 17. Igna Del Monte to number 22. Tries a 3, he missed. Here comes Steve Owen. He's the layup. Save by number 3. 10-2 steal by Andrew. What a nice pass from number 7 to the water. Against 12 in favor Team Bowen. And Saula. He step on the line. A nice defense from Team Bowen. We have a ball traveling. 16 against 12. Advanced scorer, we have his acquisition. Del Mundo to number 7. Villar up 2. He missed. Sabre. Number 23, 18 against 12. Del Mundo has the ball. To number 14, we have a ball. Foul number 9, object foul. Second personal foul number 9, first for the team. Number 22, Villar. 10 to shoot. Number 9. Number 33. Villar. Steal. Nice steal. Number 4. We have a ball traveling. Technical foul bench improper. Easy ball. Iliana. So number 24 is the three. Swing against 16, number 2, Molly. And South 3. 23 against 16. Ten to shoot. 5 to shoot. Good ball. Diaz. Number 4, tries to three, is more than the sea. Diaz, Rupa by Sabret. Diaz out. Battle to rebound. Same ball, 14 to shoot. Sabret. Steal by the team point. Here comes O'Neal. Drives. Reverse steal on the fist. Foul off the ball. Foul. Out of bounds. 2 minutes. O'Neal to number 5. 10 to shoot. Is one, he has 3 points. Foul jersey number 3. Second personal foul, second of the team. Sabret. Ian out. Sabret. One minute 28 seconds. Ball. Number 5 tries to three, miss. We ball second at the line. We will call as a traveling violation. Three seconds. Our score 25 against 18 in favor of Team Nolan. Jersey number 26 second personal foul, first of the team. Time to shoot. 5 to shoot. With the call, advance. Foul number 43, pushing foul. Sabrem. First personal foul, number 43, personal foul. Deludo. Then to shoot. With the call. Second. He stepped on the line. Against 18 in favor of Team Nolan. Tries to go against O'Neill. Seven minutes, 38 seconds. We have a call. Foul, jersey number 26. Third personal foul, second of the team. Who goes for number 43, Diaz. Second throw. He makes it. 26 against 18. Deludo. Moves the left. Here comes Steve Nolan. We have a call. Foul, jersey number 22. First personal foul, third of the team. Number 49. 10 to shoot. We have a call as travel violation. 6 minutes 33 seconds. 26 against 18. 8-point lead. Team Nolan. Deludo. Then shoot. loses the ball, Southland. 5 minutes 47 seconds. Ten to shoot. Advance. Seconds, 20 to their team. Casas. Ten to shoot. Almost a steal. Save ball. 8 seconds to shoot. Almost a steal. The steal. 26 against 22. Number 30. Foul. Number 9, it's your third personal foul. Second team foul. Because we go on to first number 34. Foul jersey number 34, Southland. Matthew out. They see a warning for penalty. Iliano, it's your first personal foul. He makes the first. Ties the ball game. Second row lead. You have the ball of basket played by Sabi Bigger. For 3, and gets again by the moment. Here comes St. Ignacio all the way to the basket. Another steal. Chimoen batting this year's numbers. Here comes Del Mundo stop and pop. He missed. Sampai for rebound. Sampai di sini. RJ out. Rebound by Indiana. Here comes Steve Buse. The screen against Van. Another nice defense by Moen. Kansas low two. Rebound by Medina. 2 minutes. Foul jersey number 15. Saban. Penalty. DC penalty. Two free throws for number 9, Odin. He needs the first. Split shot. One minute 30 seconds. Save. 1 minute 20 seconds. Number 14 for 3. Papa rebound. Using at the ball. 2. 13 against 29. 1 minute. Nice pass. Number 4. Step back. He missed. Rebound by Gonzalez. Here comes Team USA. Out of bounds. 49 seconds. Ace one. 32 seconds. 16 to shoot. 16 to shoot. 16 to shoot. He wins the shot. Juliana, open ball. Nice pass. 13. Nice hit, and just 5 seconds. 3. Our score 31 against 30. round 2. We have a call. Offensive foul number 22. Southern. Number 22. Good points. 36-32, favor TBC. Another steal. Here's the layup. Follow up. La Corona. Here comes Timor. Ali, crossover, turn around, jump ball. High ball, keep things in. Alright, we have a running for coach. Let's see now. Number 14, hold it down. Number 14. We got this on miss. 2 points. 36 seconds, third quarter. There's a steal. Santos, drive. Minutes 55 seconds. Crossover move for Ignacio, kick out. Just number 5, number 2, he missed. O'Neal drives. O'Neal fouls. He missed. And that is 3 against 1. To number 3. Number 3, trigger personal foul, first team foul. We have 5 minutes and 5 seconds for last final quarter. He missed the most. Losing on the ball. Number 13. Guarded by O'Neal. Dixie Lou, he missed. 10 to shoot. We have a call. Foul number 1. Hello. 4 minutes, 39 seconds. Looking to shoot. Ignacio. 10 to shoot. Steve. Drives, records, O'Neal. Bottom. Ignacio. The number 4. Down. This time is brought to you by Jasmine. Born 2020. 3 minutes and 55 seconds for last quarter. 42 against 38. We have a 4-point lead by Team PDC. Another steal from Steve Bowen. Number 4, Celia. Santos, got a line. 3 against 2. Number 22. Thank you, number 22. For Green, miss, foul, underneath, foul of space. Another nice defense from people. Here comes O'Neal. Foul, jersey number 43, pushing foul. Stability correct. Player sauces. 3 minutes, 11 seconds. Foul jersey number 4. Second personal foul. Turn of the team. Second personal foul, 52 sport for Team Home.
Good.
Blues, guarded by PDC. Number 3, Keep and run. Foul jersey number 26. Number 26, it's your... He makes the bonus. Number 26, warning for Broadway. Third team foul, Vincent. Casas, drive. Out of the 8 Ignacio, Fox, in and out. Here comes the bottom. The Lugo, 1-2, rebound out. 10-2. Rebound. Foul jersey number 26. Number 26, foul. Stop. Graduate number 26. Barang graduate. Stop. 1 minute 56 seconds. Warning for penalty. And 1. Foul number 22. Bonus free throw. Crucial free throw for number 3, Ignacio, to tie the ball game. He reached the bonus. 1 minute 42 seconds. Iliana. He uses the ball. Papa for rebound. Casas got the ball. Ignacio. 62 meters. Papa for rebound. 10 to shoot. O'Neal for 3. Short. Here comes number 14, Casas. 1 minute, 8 seconds. Casas, number 25. 10 to shoot. 5 to shoot. Number 25 is Papa for rebound. Foul jersey number 9. Number 9 foul out. 5 fouls for number 10. We have 5 fouls for number 9. That breaks the lead. And also penalty for Tina. Penalty. 13 to 2. 10 to 2. Seconds differential, shot clock and the game clock. Time to shoot. 5 seconds. 2 seconds. Timeout, Mullen.